AP Style Free Response Problem 13. The rate law for a reaction is found to be rate equals K times concentration of A squared times concentration of B. Which of the following mechanisms gives the rate law? So we have 3 to choose from, A, B, and C. Let's look at each one individually in the following slides. All right, so the reaction mechanism must give us a rate determining step where we can include 2 A molecules and 1 B molecule to be consistent with the rate law found. We cannot do that with A, right? If I write the rate here for this slow step, I would write K times concentration of E times concentration of B. And I do have a reversible reaction here where I can write the rate of this reverse reaction as K inverse times concentration of A times concentration of B. If I substituted that in for E, I would get 1A and 2B. Okay, so that would yield reactants of 2B and 1A, which is not consistent with this rate law. So let's take a look at B in the next slide. All right, so in B, we use the slow step to be our rate determining step. We get K times concentration of E times concentration of A. And then we have this reversible reaction where we can say the rate of the forward reaction equals the rate of the reverse reaction. Right? So the forward reaction would be K forward times concentration of A times concentration of B. The rate of the reverse would be K reverse times concentration of E. So the concentration of E can be substituted. So the rate equals, I'll put all of our K's together as the K for the reaction. And it would be the concentration of A times concentration of B is what we're substituting for E, multiplied again by concentration of A from here. So this is K, A to the second, B. And that is consistent with the experimentally determined rate law. So this is our answer. On the next slide, we're going to check out C just to be sure. So C is eliminated since it's slow step, only has 2 A molecules as reactants, no B. And there's no equilibrium reaction that we would allow for any sort of substitution. So the answer, as we determined on the previous slide, is B.